Hello everyone, today you have joined the DT Creative Elk YouTube channel. How to add Google Chrome shortcut to your desktop in Windows. If you find this useful for them, please consider subscribing and liking the video. So first of all, come to the bottom of your computer and click on Search. Just type in Chrome or Google Chrome and right-click on it and click on Open File Location. Now you'll get taken to the shortcut here. And what you can then do is go and right-click on it. You can go to the bottom in Windows 11 and press on the copy icon like so. Leave now. With it, you can then come to your desktop and you can go and right-click like so, and you can go and click on the paste icon like so, or press Ctrl V, and just like that you've now added the Google Chrome shortcut to your desktop. You can go and double-click on it like so, and Google Chrome will go and open. If you found this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video for more.